Well, hello again everyone. It's Sunday afternoon. I've finally managed to get round to having another look at the Suzuki Intruder brakes. Now, last time we left this, if you remember, I think what we've done is we've found what I suspect is that corrosion at the bottom of the master cylinder. Left all the parts in the ultrasonic cleaner in some brake cleaning fluid and given them a bit of a go a few times, and they are looking very clean, but I can still see that corrosion at the bottom of the master cylinder there. So what I've done, I've got on the internet, now you can't get new parts for the brakes on this bike, you can't get a new master cylinder, so I've got myself a second-hand master cylinder off eBay. Yeah, look at that, doesn't look too bad. Also got myself some new copper crush washers for the banjo bolts, because that's the thing you should really do, isn't it? There's a couple of things I noticed immediately about this new master cylinder. The bracket here, the other half of the clamp that goes on the handlebar, has had the mirror mount cut off. Now fortunately I've got the one off the old master cylinder, so I can swap that over. Also, the heads on the screws that hold the top of the reservoir on are a bit stripped out, so I might replace them with the ones off my old master cylinder too. I don't know if you can see that very well, but the rubber boot thing on the end of the master cylinder plunger piston thing is a bit split, so I have got another one of them, so I can replace that as well. So I think I'm going to have to strip this master cylinder down. May as well pop it apart and just inspect it inside, just to make sure it is better in fact than what we've already got. You can perhaps also see through the window there, although the window is a bit frosty, that there is some fluid in that master cylinder. I'm assuming it's brake fluid, but yeah, we need to strip it all down, clean it all out, and have a bit of a look at it. Well, this was never going to be easy, was it? Those screws are completely seized in there, and the heads on them are so destroyed you can't really get much of a purchase on them. I'm going to give them a soak in plus gas and see if I've got any screw extractors anywhere. Right, so I have found my broken screw extractors, so I'm going to try the smallest one. Seems to get a bit of a grip in there, so yeah, let's give that a go, see how we get on. Well, that's one out easily, but one still quite reluctant. I think I'm going to have to drill a little sort of starter hole to get that screw extractor started. this is not working for me at the moment, is it? This is proving quite difficult. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try in the drill press. I'm going to put a small drill in the drill press. I'm a bit wary of drilling too far and damaging the threads in the master cylinder, so I'm going to try and get everything squared up in the drill press and drill just a little bit deeper, and then see if I can get one of those fine screw extractors in. But yeah, this is not as easy as I'd hoped it'd be. Well, the chuck on my drill press won't go small enough to grip the size of drill that I really need to put in through there to get that screw extractor to grip. So I'm going to try once more with the battery drill. Well folks, that just isn't working for me, is it? So what I've done, I've put the master cylinder in the vise between some sort of fake chamois leather things to try and avoid damaging it. I'm going to try and knock that screw round with a punch, see if I can loosen it off that way. Yeah, I'm getting nowhere fast here, so I'm going to try something else. I can't really use any heat or weld anything to it because of that rubber diaphragm underneath. So I'm going to try some of this like fake weld stuff, this sort of chemical metal stuff, and try and stick a screw into the hole and then try and get it out that way. Well, there we go. It's getting quite late. I'm going to leave that to harden up, give it a good chance to work. I cleaned out the hole and everything first with brake cleaner because I've been spraying that plus gas everywhere, and I don't think that'd help it being all oily, the chemical weld sticking to it. So I cleaned it all up with brake cleaner, give it a good dry off. Hopefully that screw will sort of be chemically welded in there, and then I can extract it that way. But yeah, going to leave it at least overnight to see it has the best chance of sticking in there. So that's where we'll leave it for now, and hopefully we'll see you again soon with a bit more success.